Hi guys, let me do that. What was that? Hey, John meets Kermit the Frog. Hello. How's it going? Here we go. Saturday. Another Saturday. Another shave. I appreciate if you don't get around to watching this. I believe something's happening tomorrow. We'll leave that there. Yeah, if you do get to watch it, then all the best to you. Right, before we go any further, I'm having a chilled shave today. I was gifted this, see it? Seven Brothers Honeycomb Pale Ale. It says it's sweet and Moorish. So we're gonna crack open this. What have I do? Well, I've been watching DK damn fine shaves. Taking lessons from him. Let's have a go and see how this is, and then we'll crack on with the list of stuff. Oh, that head's a bit big, a bit like myself. It's nice, but I was expecting, do you know when you buy a crunchy and you get the stuff in the middle of it? I expected maybe a hint of that. There isn't. Okay, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're using today. First off, there you go. DS Cosmetic, little 24mm synthetic brush, nice and red. Went with the theme. I got that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. I'm going to be using today Cane. Woo! PAA Cane. This to me, guys, we've got that and we've got the balm. This to me just smells like mint imperials. We'll talk a little bit more about that afterwards and what we're going to splash up. Would you remember I used that axe? That chocolate axe. Well, next to it was this one. Look at that. Can you see it? Can you see it on there? Where is it? Oh, wild. It's called white. It's wild, but amazing wild. No, it doesn't say. Doesn't say anywhere on here. It's actually mojito. That's the box there. Yeah, it's actually a lime mojito scent. So we're going to be having mojitos and peppermint and what have you. Let's just crack on. Hey, let's crack on. I'll show you the razor for today. That is I got so much stick. The last time I used this, about 7 people says to me, we don't class that as a razor, John. We're probably not going to watch you again. MLK, your package was undelivered several times. There you go. There you go. So that was it. I'm sorry I'm getting notifications through. I'm just chilling out today, guys. I'm having a chill. You put that in there. That lifts off like that. And you put these in, proprietary blades. That was very kindly gifted to me by Dennis O'Drain in Oregon. You put these in, proprietary blades. You open that. You lift this out, wow. And that's what it looks like, guys. 2 blades on that side, 2 blades on that side. And you slot that, I'm assuming, yeah. I'm assuming it goes that way on there. You see it sits in there quite happily. And then you bring that to there. I've tried every way possible. Try and get a regular blade in this, but it's not having any other. There you go. And there it is. Can you see it? 2 blades now on that side. 2 blades on that side. Wilkinson sword, quad blade. I'm glad I've got it. Nice to have for the channel. Just a bit of something different. Today's shave, just what it is, isn't it? That's what it is. So we'll wet the face. Oh, and we'll crack on with this shave and we'll have a chat. How are you all doing? There you go. Oh, we have a candy, a sweet, whatever you want to call it, mint imperials that, like, what would you say they're about? The size of a big peas, but they're white and they've got an outer hard shell, and inside there's like a powdery substance. that smells like peppermint, and it's just what that is, just what that smells like, mint imperials. But when it lathers up this, I think there's a subtle hint of vetiver coming through. That's what I pick up. There you go. It's the CK6, is it? Yeah, it's the CK6 formula. So you know you're going to get a good performance, don't you? And as always, I like to load on the brush and lather on the face. Oh, yeah, I was going to go and get a haircut this morning. When I picked the keys up and went, right, I've got a haircut, see you later. I could have cut the atmosphere with a knife. Well, we were going to go grocery shopping. So they've all been off the past 2 days. But no. We're going to go grocery shopping. On the one morning John wants to take the car and go, and I started to say it. I said, you really want to take the car on the one morning? And then I just saw my wife and daughter looking at me as if to say, because I know some bits of wife, that language, wife, I know some bits. And the look on the face was just saying, if you don't want to eat or drink over the next 3 or 4 days, my friend, done. So I did. So anyway, be a haircut for me next week. Here we go, Wilkinson sword, quad razor. Thanks to Christopher Thompson. I thank Dennis. Dennis O'Drain sent the razor. Christopher Thompson sent me some refills for these blades. So means I can use it a lot more often, because I didn't want to. I was using it very sparingly because I didn't want to run out of blades. I didn't ever, because we can't get these. We can't. I've tried everywhere to get the blades for this, and we cannot get them. No, they're on Amazon.com. They will not ship out to here. Can't find anywhere. So I didn't want the situation where I had this razor and no blades for it. So I was cleaning the blades after every use and putting them back, and I'd used the same blade about 6 times. And then I got a lovely parcel from Christopher Thompson, and there was a fresh unopened 5-pack in there. Thank you very much, Christopher. Yeah, the scent strength on this soap, I would put it about a 5, but I've had it a couple of years, guys. Actually, I think it was Samantha's. I think Samantha bought it, used it, then I used it. I think she's used it several times since. I think I used it last Christmas, and I use it this Christmas. It's not a scent I would associate with Christmas, but you guys over there in the good old US of A, you do. I mean, over here, the scents of Christmas is cloves and rum and spices and herbs and fruit cake, and marzipan, almonds, and ginger and cherries and fruit, Christmas pudding, Christmas cake. Oh, Samantha said she's getting me one after. You know, and all that kind of stuff, you know. I would never really associate peppermint with Christmas, but yeah, had to think then which one I'm on. So there isn't really much to talk about, guys. I've been off work. I got everything done pretty much by Wednesday, Thursday. So now I'm on chill time till I go back in work next week. Just having a rest, because the week will go like that, won't it? So please, if you watch this video, let me know how your weekend's going. Got any plans? What you think of the shave? And remember, John Shaves 101, Caroline. If you think you're alone at this time of year, if you're getting down, you're not. johnshaves101@gmail.com. Email me. Email me about anything. Anything you like. And I will always email you back. That's it. Like I said, it's been a pretty uneventful week. We're going seeing some family on Sunday. They've got a nice dinner lined up for us. It's only me and my wife. Samantha's going away, so it'll just be me, my wife, my son, David, Nabby, and their children. Will have a nice time. And I'll see my granddaughters, and that'll be it. A quiet time. A quiet time, a time to, you know, work is hectic, frantic. Oh, you know, you don't get many opportunities. I've said this to my wife for decades. Christmas Day is one of those rare opportunities where you have to sit and do nothing really, don't you? Because everywhere's shut. It is in this country. Everywhere's shut. All the businesses, all the supermarkets, all the malls, everything. You can't do anything. Well, it kind of forces you, not that you'd want forcing to, but it kind of forces you to just take it easy and spend some time with family. And isn't that what it's all about? There you go, look at that. It did okay, didn't it? It's not a close shave, guys. It isn't a close shave. I'll clean those blades up, I'll put them back in there. I'll use them again. Here we go. Mojito! They ran out of sex. Somebody said, what were you going to use next, Sex Panther? Don't think they sold that. Well, here we go. Oh yeah. Wow. You could not get pulled over by the police. You'd be on a DUI with this, wouldn't you? You certainly would. There you go. And we'll put it off with a bit of balm. And that's our shave, guys. It's a flyer. Like I said, not a lot going on. Not a lot to see. Not a lot to do. But just like to get the videos up there. I'm a creature of habits, I really, really am. Do you know, anyone was hunting me, they'd catch me really easy. They really, really would. Oh, you need a big net. Joking. That's it, guys. Thanks very much. Whatever you're doing over this festive period, enjoy, look after yourselves and each other. Enjoy it, take it easy, and I will see you next week for the Wednesday shave. Bye.